Welcome to Boss Custom Renovation Review. Today we're going to turn this noodle coffee table from IKEA into a rock solid unit. First step, we're going to take it apart and we're going to glue it together with PL Premium. And then we'll have a look and see how solid it is, and if we need further reinforcements, we'll take further action to make this thing solid. So you're going to want to be careful with this PL Premium. It's amazing glue, but if it gets on everything, it makes a huge mess. So a little bit will go a long way. We're going to glue up everything. We're going to put it into the holes and just hope for the best. Yeah, this thing's not going to come apart anymore. Yeah, so for this glue, you're just going to want to put a very, if you clean the tip off, it will lay down nicer. And you want just a very thin little line on here. Otherwise, it's going to squeeze out and make a big mess. Yeah, so once you got this thing all clamped up, I mean, you don't have to clamp it, but it doesn't hurt. You want to just go around and make sure you got all the glue squeeze out. Could use one more clamp there. Running low on clamps, running low. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good, but you may even want to check it in like another 10-15 minutes, give it one more wipe, and then you should be good to go. So we'll let that sit up overnight, and then we'll see how it is tomorrow. And if it still needs some more reinforcement, we'll add some more reinforcement. But the glue's pretty amazing, so I have a small hope that the glue will be enough, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, this thing is bananas. This thing is rock solid. I mean, that was better than I was hoping for. I was thinking maybe the next step would be to add some of these brackets on the inside corners, but this thing's solid. I mean, so all in all, it took about 40 minutes to take it apart, glue it up. So I glued up all the connection points with all the little the metal connectors and all the wood connectors. I glued in both ends of those, and then I glued up all of the points where the table was touching itself onto another part. The most difficult part was wiping the glue off. The PL Premium is a little, you want to have a lot of paper towel, and if you start getting the glue on different surfaces, take a moment, clean it up, and start fresh, because if you make a mess out of that glue, it can be a bit of a disaster. There's like a couple areas where it's squeezed out a little bit still, and you can scrape that off with your fingernail. But yeah, take some extra time and make sure you wipe off as much as you can while it's still wet. It stays tacky for about 45 an hour, and after that you're going to want to just wait till it dries and try to scrape it off. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this thing turned out. I mean, this was definitely going into the dumpster if this didn't work. So yeah, hope that helped. If you got some value out of the video, like, subscribe, would be appreciated. Thank you.